Hi everyone, welcome to Kelly's Creative Stamping. Today I want to show you the journal that I have in progress from Julie's kit journal. And basically what she asked us to do is to create a kit, something that we could take on the go because vacations and stuff, if we wanted something that we could work from, to create a kit. Junk journal from a kit. So that's what I did. Now, I'm going to explain to you how I went off the beaten path here in just a minute. But let's first of all talk about the items Julie asked us to include in our kit. A book, a composition book, 2 file folders, a scrapbook paper pad, a piece of fabric, 2 rolls of washi, 3 yards of lace, 3 yards of trim or ribbon, 6 postage stamps, 2 envelopes, a child's Christmas book, 6 assorted papers, and then 2 list pads, napkin, 3 decorative items, copy paper, and use of any digital kits. Then we could add extras such as guest checks, bulb pins, paper clips, charms, beads, straight pins, erasers, washers, and wire. Now, you'll see that I have items highlighted. Some items I put in my kit, others I didn't. But because I knew that I wanted to do this as a memory keeping book for me, as I told you in my video yesterday, that I wanted this to be a place where I could document memories from my childhood that I thought my girls might enjoy reading down the road. So I knew that I wanted it to have a childlike theme. So one of the paper pads that I chose was this manuscript tablet from Dollar Tree. And because it just has that elementary feel to it. I wanted a Big Chief tablet, but I ran into a snag with a guy on Etsy, and he was really not very nice. So I bypassed using the Big Chief tablet and just went with this paper. And it was okay because the page size fit fine. Okay, for my children's book, I went with a book this size. Now I'm going to turn it sideways so you can see. This book measures 10 by about 13. Good size book, but once you start getting bulky, it's going to be a little too hard to handle. So what I did was I found this one, and I found a book on Peter Pan in a thrift store, and I cut it down to a more manageable size. It is now 8 1/4 by 10. Little bit smaller, little bit easier to handle. I cut it apart, used the front and the back